Planting a native tree is one of the best things you can do for our urban forest. In this video, Oakvillegreen Conservation Association will show you how to ensure that your planted trees survive long into the future. To begin planting, you'll need to collect a few materials: some compost, wood chips or mulch, a watering can, a shovel, gloves, a tree guard, and the native tree that you've selected. We chose to plant this red oak, which we grew from seed. This tree is about 4 years old, and because it's autumn, it's hanging on to just one last leaf. We'll probably prune off that side shoot in a few years, but for now, we want to get the tree in the ground. To begin, plant your tree at least 5 feet from any fences, 7 feet from buildings, and away from overhead wires. Before you break ground, be sure to research soil, water, and sun conditions to make sure that this location can serve your tree's needs. To begin, cut under the sod with your shovel and lay it to the side. Next, dig a hole as deep as the root mass of the tree or the height of the soil in the container, and 2 to 3 times wider with sloping sides. Rough the sides up a bit with your shovel. Make sure to loosen your tree's roots. If the tree is root bound in the container, try to gently pull out the roots that are winding around it and spread them flat. When seeding the tree inside the hole, make sure that the root collar is in line with the level of the soil. Planting too deep will cause it to rot. Now fill back in with the original soil. In heavy clay soils, you can amend the content with a small amount of compost or potting soil, but keep the ratio 1 part potting soil and 3 parts existing soil. Compost can be added around the top of the tree, but avoid chemical fertilizers. Gently tamp the soil down with your feet to make sure there are no air pockets and the tree is secure. Now you can turn the sod you removed upside down and create a water-holding basin around the tree. Water your tree well. The soil around your tree should be kept moist, but not soggy. Mulch around your tree with wood chips or leaves. Create a loose donut of mulch, making sure to keep it away from the trunk of the tree and no deeper than 2 to 4 inches. Mulch touching the trunk can cause it to rot. Staking is not necessary for most trees, but you can add a tree guard, especially if you have hungry rabbits in your neighborhood. We hope you'll plant a native tree in your yard, school, or workplace, or join us as we plant trees in Oakville's green spaces and woodlands. For more information on how to select and purchase a native tree, check out our website, email, or call us.